Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and I have here what everyone should have in their life, which is a jump pack for your car. It's a portable jump pack, and thank you guys for sending me this one. This one's actually really nice. Comes in a nice case, and everything that you need in this kit is right here. And I want to show this to you. This is the actual main unit. And on this actual main unit, you can turn it on by pressing this button, and it gives you a lot of different options. You've got the ability to air up tires. You have the ability to turn on lights, so you can easily turn on a light. And you've got your standard light, your SOS light, and a strobe light, which is great. So if you're out along the side of the road, which is great. But this also allows you to charge your phone. They do provide you with a USB-A to USB-C cable. And so that simply plugs in to this part here. That way you actually have a battery backup device, which is, again, if you're going to be out and about, maybe it's heading into wintertime here, it's getting a little cold, maybe some of your devices need to get charged up, you can easily take that and use this as a backup device to charge your phone, which is fantastic. I love the fact that they use multiple devices all in this one piece. Obviously, the big part of the jump pack is going to be the actual jumper itself. So when your car battery, truck battery, SUV battery dies, you actually have this little piece here. This actually is kind of idiot proof because it has two different shapes for the plug-in. And on this device here, has two different shapes. So you can only plug this in the one way. Only goes in the one way. And it's got some lights that are going to blink on it. These are great because they're not like traditional jumper cables where you can make a mistake and shock yourself. You accidentally clamp these on wrong, you're going to get an audible signal that's going to tell you, hey, something's not right. So you can unplug that, come over here to your car where your car is, battery's dead, hook it onto your positive and your negative terminal. It's going to light up and show you that it's green. Then you're good to go. You go inside and go ahead and start your car. It's going to start up, jump it. That is fantastic. So I'm loving the fact that this has those features on there. Some of them do not, which is really nice. But where this one excels and some other ones have not, is they also provide you with another great option, and that is the ability to air up a tire. So whenever you're out, another thing people carry with them a lot of times is a spare tire pump. This one on the top here actually has a threaded piece and comes with this piece here. It also comes with several attachments you can use to charge up, basketballs or bike tires or whatever you want to have. If you've got a family, got kids, you got a lot of those things, this is going to be great. So you're going to turn this on. It's going to give you a lot of options you can cycle through. Right now it's just set to 35 PSI, but you can circle through for like a car. You've got a little bike, you've got balls, and it will kind of set a designated amount of PSI, but it also gives you the ability to plus or minus that. So you want to set this up. So say these tires are supposed to be at 40 PSI. We can set that up on there using this locking mechanism here. Lock that in place. Obviously we're low, it's winter time, so the tires are cold. Turn it on, and it's going to pump up your tire. Now obviously it's going to take a few minutes to do that, but that's not that loud, and you can set it down while it does it, and when it reaches that destination it will shut off. Simply disconnect it and you're good to go. Thank you guys again for sending this.